Welcome back to Scylla Stitches. I'm Priscilla. Today we're going to work on our 5x5 granny square. Come on.
Okay, we're going to start with a J hook. Of course, that's my fave. And we'll be starting with a slip knot. I think everybody knows how to do a slip knot. If not, pay attention, watch me, slow it down. And this is how we're always going to start, with putting the yarn on our hook. Okay, here we go. We're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can use a magic circle, but I prefer this method. So here we go. We're going to slip stitch into that first chain. We're going to turn our tail over. There we go. Hold on to that tail. You'll see why later. We're going to go through the circle and then pull through. That's 1, 2, and 3 chains. Now we're going to go in and we're going to do 2 more double crochet. So that'll give us 3 double crochet, and then we're going to chain 2. Once I can get this double crochet done. There we go, chain 2, 1, 2, and then we'll do 3 more double crochet, keeping that tail in there. It's very important. 1, 2, and 3. I pull mine down a little bit. There we go. Oops, tail gets in the way. 1, 2 chains, and 3 more double crochets. Keeping that tail in there, remember. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. We're going to chain 2. 1, 2, and this will be our last 3 double crochet. Okay, here we go. 1, 2 double crochets, and 3. Now remember, we're going to tighten up the back before we connect the corner. Thank you, Crystal at Bag a Day Crochet. She's the one who I learned this little trick from. Much better than a magic circle, I think, anyway. All right, here we go. With a half double crochet, we're going to connect to the side. We go 1, 2, and then 3. That top loop, there we go, in, and pull all the way through. That's half double crochet, and in 1, 2, and 3. We're going to be doing 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the corners. So here's our first one. Now we go to this other corner. We're going to be putting in 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. That's what we're doing in this corner. Okay, we have our corner done. We're going to go to the next corner and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, here we go. We're going to connect over in this last corner. Here we go. 1, 2, and then 3 double crochet, and we're going to connect with a half double crochet. 1, 2, 3 into that loop right there. We gotta get it all. No, sometimes. There we go. Okay, pull all the way through. There we go. Now we are going to go around again with 3 double crochet in the corner. That's 1, 2, 3. That counts as 1, 2, and 3 double crochet. All right, and now we're going to go to this center hole right here. We're going to do 3 double crochet in this hole right here. Okay, that's 2 and 3. All right, now we're in our corner. We're going to do 3 double crochet. Okay, that's 1, 2, and 3 double crochet. Chain 2, 1, 2, and 3 more double crochet. Okay, repeat that all the way around and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, here we go. The last 3 double crochet cluster here on the end. That's 1, 2, and 3. Then we're going to connect with our half double crochet in that 3rd loop on the top. There we go. Pull through, and we go pull through. That's 1, 2, and 3. So now we're going to have 2 double crochet in the corner. So that's 1. Here's our 2nd. All right, now we're going to slow it down, and I want to show you here in this corner only. Remember, straight down in that 1 stitch because it doesn't actually look like a loop. And then the 2nd stitch, that front loop, you got to get under it. There we go. And there you go. All the rest of the loops are fine. So we do 2, and then now we're going to start. There's 3. Okay, now in this space we're going to go yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to do this 5 times, and you'll end up with 6 loops on your hook. That's when you know you've done it the correct number of times. This should be number 5. Oops, there we go. And there we go. 6 loops. We're going to pull through that, chain 1, and then we're going to go to the next stitch, which is kind of behind this bump. And there we go. Double crochet. All right. And that's 1. We're going to do 2. And then we're going to do this stitch again. Through the space, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, 5 times, so we have 6 loops on our hook. All right, there we go. Okay, 6, and we pull through, chain 1, and then 2 more double crochet before we get to the corner. Okay, we're at our corner. So we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, we're at the last double crochet there, and now we're at the end in the corner, so we're going to do 2 double crochet, and then we will connect with our half double crochet. So that's 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And pull that all the way through. So that's our half double crochet. Pull it up, and then we are done, my friends. We're gonna snip this end and pull it through. I will be showing you how to do an invisible close there on the end, so keep an eye out for that video next. It's really cool, I love it. But for now, we'll just tighten it, and yeah, there we have it. Ta-da!
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope this tutorial helped you. Listen, if you get stuck on something, pause it, practice, come back, slow down, rewatch, whatever you need to do, make it yours. Sorry for the train in the background. I'm outside. I do love it outside, although it is a little cold today. But stick around. Make sure you subscribe, share it with your friends, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next one comes. See you on the next video.